Have you ever wondered why some people never seem stressed about money? They always have enough to cover bills, handle emergencies, and still save or invest consistently. Meanwhile, many struggle paycheck to paycheck, feeling like financial stability is just out of reach. The truth is, financial discipline isn't about earning more. It's about controlling your habits, mindset, and systems. In this video, we'll break down step by step how to build financial discipline. You'll learn practical strategies to manage spending, automate savings, rewire bad habits, and align daily actions with long-term wealth creation. Whether you're starting with little savings or trying to strengthen existing habits, these actionable steps can transform your financial future. 1. Create structured spending boundaries. The first step toward financial discipline is establishing clear boundaries for spending. Many people overspend simply because there are no defined limits, and every expense feels negotiable or justifiable in the moment. Without structured rules, discretionary purchases can quickly erode savings, inflate debt, and create financial stress. By creating clear spending boundaries, you define categories for your income: essentials like rent or groceries, discretionary spending like entertainment or dining, and investment-focused allocations such as savings, retirement contributions, or business ventures. This categorization allows you to intentionally direct resources toward long-term priorities rather than reacting to impulse or emotion. Using budgeting tools, apps, or templates can greatly simplify this process. These systems provide visual feedback on income allocation, highlight potential overspending, and help track progress toward financial goals. For instance, seeing a real-time update on how much remains in your discretionary category before the month ends can create a natural check on impulsive buying while simultaneously reinforcing positive habits. Additionally, incorporating spending alerts or notifications when approaching category limits encourages awareness and accountability, teaching the brain to respond with deliberate thought rather than automatic consumption. Over time, consistently adhering to structured boundaries builds self-control and transforms financial behavior into a habit. When limits are respected, it reduces anxiety over money, creates a sense of mastery, and allows for more strategic decision-making. Beyond preventing overspending, this approach encourages prioritization. Funds are consistently available for critical goals, such as building emergency savings, accelerating debt repayment, or funding long-term investments. It also creates a psychological buffer, giving confidence that financial obligations can be met without stress. Ultimately, establishing spending boundaries is not merely a budgeting exercise. It is a foundation for a disciplined, intentional, and sustainable approach to managing money that empowers individuals to make smarter choices, achieve financial stability, and steadily build wealth over time. 2. Automate savings and investments. Automating savings is one of the most effective ways to cultivate financial discipline because it removes the need to rely solely on willpower, which can fluctuate daily. By setting up automatic transfers of a predetermined portion of your income into savings or investment accounts, you ensure that your financial priorities are met consistently before discretionary spending can interfere. Whether it's a high-yield savings account, a retirement fund like a 401k or IRA, or a brokerage account for investing in stocks or ETFs, automation allows your money to work for you continuously. This system not only reduces the temptation to spend impulsively, but also encourages a mindset of financial consistency and reliability. Over time, automated contributions turn saving into a passive habit, embedding discipline into your financial routine without conscious effort. For example, by directing even a modest 5 to 10% of each paycheck into investments automatically, you start compounding wealth early, benefiting from both growth and the psychological reassurance that you are building a safety net. Automation can also be paired with goal setting, such as targeting specific milestones like an emergency fund or vacation fund, providing motivation and measurable progress. By removing manual steps and human error from the process, automated savings foster long-term stability, reduce stress about money, and reinforce the habit of prioritizing future financial security over immediate gratification. Over months and years, these automated practices accumulate, transforming disciplined behavior into enduring financial strength and accelerating wealth creation naturally and efficiently. 3. Delayed consumption for discretionary purchases. Impulse purchases are one of the biggest barriers to financial discipline. They often occur when emotions, advertisements, or social pressures prompt a quick decision, bypassing rational evaluation. To counter this, implementing delayed consumption strategies is highly effective. Before making any non-essential purchase, wait at least 24 to 72 hours and reassess whether the item is truly necessary or aligns with your long-term financial goals. This simple pause interrupts emotional spending loops, giving your rational brain time to evaluate the decision and often reducing regret after the fact. During the waiting period, the initial urge to buy often fades, allowing funds to be redirected into savings, investments, or debt repayment. For example, a $100 online purchase that seemed urgent may, after 48 hours, no longer feel essential, freeing that money to grow in a high-yield savings account or be invested in a retirement fund. Over time, consistently applying delayed consumption retrains your brain to prioritize long-term benefits over short-term gratification. It strengthens self-control and encourages intentional spending, reducing stress caused by overspending or unplanned purchases. Additionally, pairing this strategy with visualization techniques, such as imagining the long-term growth of investments or the security of a fully funded emergency fund, can further reinforce disciplined behavior. By making thoughtful pauses a habitual part of your financial routine, you transform reactive spending into deliberate, goal-oriented decision-making, gradually rewiring your mind to favor lasting financial stability over fleeting pleasure. This approach not only saves money but also instills confidence, control, and consistency in your financial journey. 4. Track spending and identify patterns. Keeping track of every expense, no matter how small, provides insight into where money leaks occur. Recording purchases in a journal, app, or spreadsheet helps identify habits that undermine financial goals, such as recurring subscriptions, small daily indulgences, or unnecessary shopping trips. By understanding spending patterns, you gain the ability to make informed adjustments. Recognizing triggers for impulse spending, like stress, boredom, or social influence, allows you to intervene proactively. Continuous monitoring strengthens accountability and encourages alignment between financial behavior and long-term objectives, laying the foundation for disciplined money management. 5. Build an emergency fund. An essential pillar of financial discipline is creating an emergency fund. This fund provides a safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or temporary loss of income. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses readily available prevents reliance on high-interest debt when emergencies arise. Beyond financial protection, an emergency fund reduces stress and gives confidence to make disciplined spending decisions. It allows you to focus on investing, saving, and planning without the constant fear of short-term financial disruption, reinforcing long-term stability and responsible financial behavior. 6. Educate yourself on money management. Financial literacy is crucial for building discipline. Understanding concepts like compound interest, opportunity cost, debt management, and investment growth provides the knowledge necessary to make strategic choices and avoid costly mistakes. Accessing resources such as books, online courses, financial blogs, podcasts, and interactive tools empowers individuals to make informed decisions with confidence. The more familiar you are with these financial principles, the easier it becomes to align daily actions with long-term goals, anticipate consequences, and recognize opportunities for growth. Continuous learning transforms money from a source of stress into a tool for empowerment, control, and long-term wealth creation. Strengthening discipline through knowledge while fostering a proactive mindset toward managing personal finances effectively. 7. Rewire psychological spending patterns. Financial discipline requires addressing the psychological roots of spending. Impulse purchases are often reinforced by dopamine-driven reward loops, while scarcity mindset or emotional triggers can push unnecessary consumption. Techniques such as journaling expenses, visualizing financial goals, and using automated saving systems disrupt these patterns. Over time, the brain begins to associate restraint with reward, gradually shifting behavior from reactive spending to intentional financial choices. By understanding and reshaping these subconscious behaviors, individuals cultivate self-control and a proactive approach to money management. 8. Align spending with values and goals. Finally, true financial discipline involves aligning every dollar spent with personal values and long-term objectives. This means prioritizing spending on areas that contribute to growth, well-being, or future wealth rather than temporary pleasure. Whether allocating funds toward education, skill development, health, or meaningful experiences, aligning spending with goals ensures that money supports purpose rather than being wasted. This approach creates satisfaction without financial regret, reinforces consistent disciplined behavior, and strengthens the ability to maintain control over finances regardless of income fluctuations or external pressures. So, there you have it. 8 practical steps to build financial discipline that transforms your relationship with money. From structured spending and automated savings to rewiring spending habits and aligning dollars with goals. These strategies show that discipline is achievable and sustainable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable financial insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.